guys, so today let's do the volcano update. It's so insane. They added a lot of new things. I'll show you something. Turn the browser. Okay, let's just go out. They added this and that volcano. And that volcano, it's so sick. Actually, I'm not kidding. It is completely cool. So you can grab these rocks from these buckets, and you get some rocks, and then you put it in. When you put it in, put the rocks in, and they'll fill up, and then you can, and then you know what happens. You know, you think. When it's done, it'll make a sound like beeping, and the beeping when there's beeping, that means it's starting, and then when it's starting, and then when it stops beeping, when it's beeping again, see? Look at this. This is so gosh. And then they have shaders. They added shaders. I'll show you. Look at this. Look at this lava. Look more closer. Look at your hand. It's disappearing. So cool. It's just normal water. It's just normal water, okay? So don't be depressed. It's just normal water, okay? Look at the shaders. So cool. Okay, so, and if you play Infection, it'll be more harder to play. It's because if you fall in the lava, you will instantly get tagged. So it's just a forced lava update. This is why the lava just came. So there's other game modes. There's no new game modes. So yeah. So
Blue, I got a question. What? Come on. Do you think that I can suck up this with the lava? It's not even. That's not hard. He's not swimming in lava.
So let's see. When you come to here, these are the cosmetics. These cosmetics are sick. First lava, and look at this slingshot. The slingshot is cool.
I like this.
And my favorite. And then you see these cosmetics. There's this shirt, this glove, and then these hats, and then this umbrella. This bags for free. I got it. This is just a ring, and this.
Makes you an easy target.
I'm gonna show you guys what these does.
I've been saving a bunch.
So
What's this?
Here, I'll give to you.
I'll try to give some shiny rocks.
You have a slingshot.
Thank you.
So a slingshot. So a slingshot. These slingshot, look. It shoots out like a pepper.
Today, guys, we're gonna be eating the hottest pepper in the world.
And then this hammer thing.
Dang it. No, I'm sorry.
Okay, and then there's this bird thing. It gets squeezed. There's fire. Pepper. Saves that for last. This, I don't know what it does, but it's just cool shell. And it's just this. You can drink the lava.
Guys.
And then this is the fan. My favorite. You can see.
Everybody listen here. Right? Everybody listen. Today, I'm going to be eating the hottest pepper in the world. I'm going to be drinking the hottest drink. Let's go.
Everything's kind of cool.
Would you like to start a call together?
There's the pepper. Time for the pepper.
Get this man some water!
So you have a pepper and you eat it. And you eat it again. Look at this. Oh my gosh.
Don't smoke.
Face turns red and then you burst out the fire.
Out
of my mouth.
One more dance
That's
to the
so
big reveal.
cool.
I'm telling you my code.
Guys, I'm eating the hottest pepper in the world.
So
I'm eating the hottest pepper in the world.
Tell you my code.
cool, and my most favorite is the
And you see the new cosmetics.
You know why it's probably low quality right now? Because I'm on my
fan.
quest, not on my
They're
Steam.
my both favorite.
So,
It moves still, so yeah.
right, I'll tell you right now.
There's no new balloons, so just sadly,
September 23rd.
I thought it was gonna be a volcano balloon, but no.
PLA. Join the code
No,
PLA
so yeah.
at 1 p.m. I'll be
That's
there
the end
with
of
fingerprint
this
in your
video.
bag, everything.
So,
Yeah, we
wait,
should
I
go.
forgot Jamie and Charlie's video. Basement. Basement, they did that place. So, the floor is lava.
I have the button.
Seriously?
Are you okay?
So this is the video, bye guys. And there's new updates.